Alright everyone, Jamie from BowHunterPlanet, and today we are going to unbox the new Venom X from TenPoint 2024.
But before we do that today, I want to say a special thanks to our good friends at Easton, Trophy Ridge, Scott Archery, and Gas Bowstrings for their help and support in keeping this channel going. And now, on to the show.
Alright, here we go. Off here, instruction manuals, rail lube here, down here. What else do we got here? Looks like we got 3 bolts. Alpha nock, very important. We'll talk about that later. Specs, quiver, and scope. I think that's probably that's everything you need. It's packaged nicely to keep this box. There you have it. Bow, scope, quiver, 3 bolts, alpha nock of course, and the instruction manual. That's what comes inside the package. Alright, so as you see, it's mostly set up for us. So what we'll do is we'll throw the scope on wherever your position is. You have to work through that, and then we'll lube the rail, get everything ready to go to shoot. Don't want it too close to your eye, you want to be able to see. And what we'll do is we'll tighten that up. Let's flip it. Rail lube here. I'm going to get this nice, ready to go. We're going. Since I'm right-handed, I want this quiver to stick out on the left side. Okay. That's there, that's there. Move the tag. And definitely what you want to do before you start shooting is watch a couple videos, the owner's manual as well. Make sure you know how to cock it correctly and make sure you're safe and everything's in place. Yourself a nice sticker for your truck. One thing when looking in the manuals, you will notice sometimes that this can be an overarching safety manual or operator manual. So make sure you're looking at the same characteristics that your particular crossbow has, the ones in front of you. So that's what I usually do. A lot of it, like the ACUslide, does work the same. Some of the safety ideas works the same too. Keep your fingers out of the string, all that jazz. What you have here, everything feels good, everything looks straight. All right, we are ready to go.